Hello. In this video we are going to change background color by using JavaScript DOM manipulation. So let's start. I am not going to create any JavaScript file. I am going to handle all scripts here. So firstly, let's change the background manually. So for this I am going to create a variable const body tag. So now I need to access to body in DOM. So document dot get element by tag name, and the tag is body. And then I can change the background color now. Body tag dot style dot background color. The C needs to be capital here, and let's make it green. Save it and see. This is not going to work because here, as you can see, get elements by tag name. Here we have get elements, so this means that there are multiple items. So this is an array. So let's check. Let's console log it first. Body tag. So here, as you can see, HTML collection and array. So we need to access this body, and it has the index 0. So we can do it like this. 0, and let's run it again, and now the background color changed. So let's change the color purple, and background color is purple now. If you don't want to use this by tag name, get elements by tag name, you can also do it like this. You can give an ID to body element, let's say, and we do not need get elements by tag name anymore. So we should use get element by ID. So as you can see, there is no S here. And let's paste body element. And if we check the console log again, so there is no any array or multiple item. It directly accesses the tag or element, and we can change it green, for example. So as you can see, it works correctly. So let's create a button, and when we click the button, the background color should change. So button, change background, and we need to have on click here. On click, change background. So this is our function name. So let's create the function const change background. And let's check if it is working. So I click here and I see change background. So it works. So we can continue writing our function. So firstly, I want to create an array of colors. So let's create const colors. Let's make it an array. And let's put red, green, yellow, purple, and blue. So these are our colors, and then I want to choose these colors randomly. So we can use math functions in JavaScript. So let me show you. Const. So we are going to pick only one color. So we can name it as color. So here we need to do colors and put this array sign. And those math functions are going to give us a number, and that number is going to be index number of this array, and it is going to return us a color. So let me give an example. Let's say it is 1, for example. Console.log color, and let's have this inside here, inside the function, and this needs to be color. It shouldn't be static value. So if I click, it should be green. For example, if I make it 2, for example, it should be yellow. Now the background color is yellow. If I make it 3, for example, it should be purple. So let's make it dynamic by using math functions. Math floor. Firstly, let me show you how those math functions work. So let's console log. For example, we need random numbers in order to pick a color here. So because of this, I am going to use math.random. Let's run that function and inspect. So as you can see, it gives us such number. But if you multiply it with some number, for example 4, so as you can see, it gives us bigger numbers. And the number cannot be bigger than 4. So as you can see, we have our number with points here, but I do not need such numbers. I need normal numbers. So because of this, I am going to use math.floor, and inside parentheses, I am going to have my math.random function. So let's see now again. So as you can see now, 0, 2, 0, 3. And we can also do it like this, colors dot length. So let's check. So for now, the biggest number is 4, and our biggest index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our function works correctly. So let me paste this inside these colors, inside here. Let's also remove this console log as well and close this. So let's click. So as you can see, the background color changes. We can also use set interval. If we use set interval, we are not going to need this button. So let me show. For example, I have set interval and create your function, and you need to put here milliseconds. If you don't know about set interval, I created a tutorial for it, and you can see that tutorial on my channel. We do not need to write function here because we already have the function. So it is going to be change background color. So let's save. As you can see, the color changes dynamically in every second. 1000 milliseconds means one second. So we can make it a little bit faster. So let's make 10 milliseconds. So now it seems like you are in a disco. So I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and comment, and you can share with your friends as well. Have a good day.